Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how my girlfriend and I made Christmas dinner. You heard it right, Christmas, honey. It's damn near Valentine's Day. But look, forgive me, okay? So what I did was I boiled my noodles. Now, I wouldn't use these noodles now. I would use like wheat if I wanted to make like macaroni and cheese. I'm on this whole diet, honey, okay? So I just threw in about 2 tablespoons of butter. You're going to hear me say 2 tablespoons without this whole thing because that's just what I do. That's my shit. Okay, now we have half and half. This is for the cheese sauce. You can use regular milk if you have that in the house. Now, when you make regular cheese sauce, you use milk or half and half. You go in it with your cheese and all that stuff. Look, I took the Velveeta cheese packet and mixed that in with my milk because that's how I always make my mac and cheese, and it's banging like bomb, okay? So, it's up to you. People may say, well, why would you add milk if cheese sauce already have milk? Look, honey, it works for me. Like, this is lit. I go in with some pepper because we all know that cheese is a bit salty. So I stir that around a little bit, and you can add your own seasonings. Like, season it to taste, or you could just start from scratch. You don't have to use your Velveeta cheese, but it's lit. Now, I only use 1 egg in my macaroni and cheese mix because I really don't like raw egg in food. Like, I'm just not, I don't like that. So I'm going to spray my pan with coconut spray. You can use olive oil. That works the best. And I'm going to start to layer my mac and cheese. So I put in half the noodles. I'm going to go in and add in some cheddar cheese, and I'm going to stir that up. Then you're going to see me add in the cheese sauce, and then I'm going to go back in and add the noodles and add more cheese and stir it up. It's just a layering process. I love this part because you get to have fun. My mac and cheese is always so cheesy, but this particular time, of course, when I was filming, I overcooked it. So it like really baked in, but normally this is cheesy, okay? Look, adding in the cheese sauce. And of course, I clean off my little pan. Because, it looks messy. But look, now the best part is these. These breadcrumbs right here. Oh, my gosh. They give your mac and cheese, like, the best crunch ever. We're going to pop this into the oven, 450, bake it for, like, 30 minutes. Now, on to the chicken. I use this garlic and herb marinade. Oh, my gosh. It's the best. And it's from the dollar store, honey, and it fries very, very well. Now, I only used a little bit because, as you see on the counter, I have more seasonings that I'm going to add into here. So I have some onion powder. I'm adding some garlic powder, some lemon pepper. I'm adding some chicken seasoning. This is really all you need for seasoning, like chicken seasoning and lemon pepper. You can never go wrong. But that's what it looked like. And I'm just simply going to fry that chicken up, put in some flour, fry it up. That's it. Oh, it was amazing. I miss it right now. The baked mac and cheese was done as the chicken was frying, so it looks like that. Let's move on. My girlfriend wanted to make salmon. So we got garlic powder, onion pepper, lemon pepper. She used chicken seasoning. She also used steakhouse seasoning, and she just pat that in there. She makes the best salmon. Let me show you how she do it. She takes butter, and again, she take about 2 tablespoons. She puts it in the pan, and she lets the butter melt. After she does that, she goes in with garlic powder. If we had minced garlic, she would use it. But hey, honey, we queens of cheating the system. She went and added her garlic powder. Honey went and added in her honey. Dollar store also. And that's about 2 tablespoons. And we going to stir that up. I told y'all was going to hear 2 tablespoons about this whole thing. Now we're going to take the piece of fish and we're going to slap it in there. That salmon looks so bomb, bruh. Damn. So what she did was, once it's in it, she starts to baste it. Is that the word? You baste? Okay, whatever. She puts the juices on it, okay? And then it's going to look like this, and she's going to take it out and put it in the pan and just bake it for an extra 10 minutes. And guess what? Christmas dinner ready, bed. Look at that. I miss it so much, and I'm on a whole diet. I can't eat none of that but the salmon and the corn. Damn. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? Love you. Bye. Mwah.